If you're heading out to your local for a drink next week, you may find the conversation veering towards quantum physics instead of football, or maybe particles rather than politics.
The Pint of Science festival is taking place in pubs across the UK with the hope of getting pub goers to talk about subjects many of us find bewildering. Breakfast Tim Muffet has been to Cambridge to find out more.
We take two really light atoms and we smash them together.
Pint of lager, please. Cheese sandwich. And a discussion on the way nuclear fusion and laser technology could one day fulfil society's energy requirements.
In the middle of which sits a capsule.
This is the Pint of Science festival. If you think pub conversations are full of hot air, think again.
But actually, to do the compression, we'd need to have laser beams attacking it from all sides. The idea is to bring science into a new venue, so the pub, and bring it perhaps to new audiences as well. Some people are mistakenly put off science because they believe it's too difficult or they didn't enjoy it at school. And I'm going to hold it up to the focal spot of the laser. What do you think is going to happen? And I think a pub brings down some of those barriers. People feel they can ask questions that they might think are silly, but you know the truth is in science there are no silly questions.
With the size of the laser that you said they've got in America, how much energy would that be?
Somewhat similar to a nuclear fission power station today.
Now, this isn't just any old pub. One lunchtime in 1953, a certain Francis Crick made an announcement right here. He and James Watson had discovered the secrets of life. And it wasn't just the beer talking. They had worked out the structure of DNA.
So pubs and science can mix, but although the festival is being launched in a place steeped in scientific history, most venues will be ordinary pubs, humming, it's hoped, with extraordinary pub chat.
Hijack some of that electrical current that's set up in photosynthesis.
Started off in 15 pubs in 2013. And from there we've now grown to over 70 pubs across the UK and in 12 different cities, and 400 speakers or researchers are coming out to their pubs and explaining to people what they do.
Are then people really going to go away and explore further, do you think?
Yeah, I think it inspires people to maybe question like what scientists are doing.
From water we got protons, electrons.
A great big world out there with a lot going on, and yeah, to bring it to a pub is great.
There was a lot of it I didn't understand, but I love that other people do.
I wouldn't normally sit and listen to things like this, but it's all relaxed, it's nice and comfortable, and you just listen and what's quite surprising actually.
You know, we might expect that a fusion power plant would
the thirst for knowledge, which the Pint of Science festival hopes to quench. Space-time, gentlemen, please.
Thank you all very much for listening to me.
Tim Muffet, BBC News, at the Eagle Pub in Cambridge.